Greetings, this is Mr. Solomon here with another edition of Minecraft EDU here at Village East Elementary. Today we're working with 4th grade students on area and perimeter and incorporating Minecraft into those concepts. So this is a week-long unit for 5 days. So we started with going over the standards. This is part of 3rd and 4th grade standards about solving real-world math problems using perimeter. Find the perimeter given the side lengths. So we worked on that. And so we worked on BrainPOP first, talked about how to use BrainPOP to get some background knowledge and do some practice. Then we went online into a online geoboard, an interactive site. So students had practice creating some shapes. That was on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday we started Google Classroom. And in Google Classroom we had students given a blank grid with 3 different directions. So create a shape with perimeter of 18, 3 of those. 3 shapes with perimeter of 24, and a bonus of shapes with 36. And so students were learning how to be precise, how to use the shape tools, how to add text inside the shape, and then we talked about how to be precise when you draw these shapes because they should all line up on the grid. So once students created this drawing document, they then printed it, I would check it, and then they got into Minecraft and would start building it. So if I get into the game, I can look at my friend Alex. So this is what he drew in his Google Classroom drawing page. And then this is what he created in Minecraft. And so it's very accurate. It should look exactly the same if I go above. So if I look at this and then switch over to Google, you can see that he has done a really nice job of accurately creating these shapes in Minecraft so then they can see it in 3D. And then we had them add some signs when they were done. Looks like not every sign is ready, or I'm looking at it from the other side. So he's got area and perimeter listed for all of these shapes. So I used iron blocks to create this grid. I made it exactly the same as the Google Doc, which was 25 by 25. I surrounded all of the grass with build disallow, so the only place the students can draw or place blocks down would be on top of these iron blocks. We were playing in education mode for Minecraft, so they had no inventory other than the chest at the beginning. So I'll take you to the spawn point. This is the large work area with teleport stations. And so inside the chest, I had 8 sets of 64 of red blocks, blue blocks, and green blocks. This is stained clay. And so students would take what they need before they would teleport themselves into a section. So if we look at somebody else, I go to area 12, for example, and look at this one. This is number 12. Okay, so you can see that some students took it a little step further and drew shapes that weren't just rectangles. So that's our friend Chad. And if we go into Google Classroom and I look at what Chad did, I can see his shapes. Okay, and then I go into Minecraft and I can see how he created those. So this was a good project for students to see how perimeter looks both on a 2-dimensional sheet of paper using Google Drawing and then making it 3-dimensional by placing the blocks down on a 25 by 25 grid. So if we look around, we can see that most of these students did a really nice job on creating the same shapes that they drew in Google. And so I'll be trying this with 3rd graders. This is my first attempt at this kind of activity. I always make some mistakes and learn from them. It looks like some of the younger guys might need some smaller perimeter projects because a lot of students were having trouble creating these in Google first. So they would have to get approval that their Google drawings matched. And then once they did, they can start building it in Minecraft. A great way to use Minecraft to help students learn area and perimeter. Thanks for watching.